In this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to get a shaded polygon in your graph. I'm going to use the example of shading this window blue. And this technique is not using equations, or linear inequalities, which is also an option. This technique is using something called the polygon feature. So the polygon feature requires that I find the vertices of my polygon. In this case, it's going to be a quadrilateral. And down here, I'm going to type in polygon and parentheses. And already you can see has set this up. In fact, before I get too far, I'll even choose my light blue custom color that I made. You can also check out that tutorial video. And I'm going to type in the ordered pair that is on my graph. And in between each ordered pair, I'm going to put a comma. And I'm going to go around in a circle. So the next one is looks like I've got too many parentheses maybe. Got that one. I'm going to drag it over to here. And I need one more, which is down here. All right, and there is my shaded region. And there are some choices as well that as I zoom out and maybe while I'm finishing my graph, I can also decide, let's see how this works. I can choose kind of the opacity. I can choose the thickness of the line. I should be able to also remove the edge. I just set it to 0, and now I just have the shaded region without that heavier border if that's what I want. And so that was using the polygon feature and finding a polygon, or maybe tracing something that maybe is a curve using a bunch of points and getting a shaded region or polygon on the inside.